Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Shark IZ362H cordless vacuum cleaner in red, a lightweight stick vacuum designed for powerful pet hair pickup with innovative self-cleaning brushroll technology. If you want cordless convenience with HEPA filtration, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features 181 watts of HyperVelocity suction with a removable lithium-ion battery delivering up to 40 minutes of runtime. The PowerFins Brushroll provides continuous cleaning contact to dig deep into carpets, while the self-cleaning design actively prevents hair wrap, a game-changer for pet owners. Anti-Allergen complete seal technology with HEPA filtration traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Weight is just 3.25 kilograms with dimensions 26 by 18 by 117 centimeters, and noise level measures 80 dB. The XL dust cup holds 0.34 quarts with CleanTouch dirt ejector for hygienic emptying. LED headlights illuminate hidden debris under furniture. Converts to removable handheld with included Crevice, Upholstery, and pet multi-tools. Voltage is 21.6 V with 2-year limited warranty. Real-world reviews praise its truly tangle-free performance even with heavy shedding huskies, lightweight maneuverability perfect for pregnant users or those with limited strength, and effective deep cleaning on thick rugs. Some users note it's top-heavy and cannot stand on its own, requiring leaning against furniture. Battery degrades over time, dropping to about 30 minutes after 2 years. Attachments feel underpowered for car interiors, and edge cleaning needs improvement. A few users report suction issues or debris spitting out the back. At full price around $300, some feel suction is weaker than similarly priced competitors, but at sale prices around $200 it's excellent value. If you want a lightweight, tangle-free cordless vacuum for daily pet hair maintenance, the Shark IZ362H delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.